Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss new grid features for Dynamic 365 CE and model driven Power Apps. So in Dynamic 365 and modern driven apps, you can now easily reorder columns using drag and drop controls on the column header. And this is just one example of a series of new grid features. Right now, as you see here, this is the My Active Account view. If I am clicking on the address one city drop down, and it is used to the new move left and move right control from the column drop down. If I click on the move left and then again click on the drop down and then click on the move right from here, and you can still use the edit column option, but these new control offer more flexibility for make changes to directly within the grid. So the further improvement is the ability to precise width for your good organization. So click on the column drop down and select here as column width. So column can still be resized using a mouse to expand or narrow the width. So this additional feature is allow width to be set using the exact pixels and can be applied using a keyboard. So if you increase the preferred width from here and decrease from here. So now click on the view drop down from here. So each of these column customize can be saved to update an existing view to create a new personalized grid view. And also so infinite scrolling is also available on the read only and the editable grids. Also here I can use infinite scrolling to move through rows of account without clicking through a various pages. And you can also select more record, like for example with infinite scroll available within grids. Now I am selecting all record from here. So with infinite scroll available within grids, it's now possible to select up to as many 1000 record and apply bulk action to the selection using the command bar. And another grid enhancement is allow you to group data in your view. It's using a single column. Now I am again click on the drop down and then click on the group by. So I will group account by a city. So these offer an alternative way to organize your view by the expanding and a collapsing group using data form and select column. So it includes the flexibility to as many of group expanded or collapsed to the simultaneously as you need. So the grouping work on most types of the data when infinite scrolling is enabled. And one more thing is that changes to grids made using the group by controls and don't persist. So the customization cannot be saved as the default display used to update or create personalized and system view. And if you want to switch back to the regular grid view, again click on the drop down. From here, click on the ungroup option is the relevant column. Now click on the opportunities from here. So you can also aggregate numerical values within a grid column. For example, like we are using the Dynamic 365 sales hub, but the same feature can also be for used in a numerical columns for the other dynamic modules and in model driven apps. So now click on the estimate revenue drop down. So I am selecting total option of any numerical column. These are options to automatically show the minimum, maximum, sum and average value of each row in the selected grid column. And for the estimated value of our open opportunity, will we select the option to show the total sum. Now I am selecting the sum from here. and multiple numerical columns can be aggregated simultaneously. Now I am clicking on the probability drop down. So in the same view, we see adjust the view and it to display the average value. So go to the total and select the average from here and of the entries in the probability column. And only column rows that don't include a value would be ignored in this calculation. So these customization are not saved, but they can help sales and other teams interpret their data more quickly. So in this video, we cover new reorder column control, infinite scrolling, group by column, and aggregate numerical column in D365C. Thanks for watching.